What happened?
That was the ultimate, like, tease. You were putting the controller in my hands and handed it to Chris.
What the fuck
Yeah.
was happening though?
A bomb walked into him and you're like, please die. Oh, we didn't get the special ending. That's just the end of the mode.
Why don't we get the
Yeah,
special
no, we
one?
didn't get
died
it.
like
Died
20
1,000
times.
times.
Oh,
Yeah, too many
great.
times.
You get little ending where the hand comes down and smashes you.
Excuse me, the little one.
Nice, Corey. Alright guys, why don't you pipe down a little bit? I think it's time for me to play my game.
Yes! Yeah! Yeah, do you like that? There's some more.
Very strong.
Oh yeah, come and get me. Yeah! Yes! Yes! There you go. There's some more for you. Yeah! Oh, you want some too, Pipsqueak? Yeah! Yeah, you feel that?
Fireball. Oh,
That's
my
power
God.
for you. Yes. There you go. Yes. Ah!
Your help is critical.
Very cool. Okay. I don't quite know how to heal in this game, so my character just farted. Very nice.
Hey, Big Fat Jason here. This is a really good edit, Landon. Good job, dude. Keep up the good work.